Minister slams the Congress over Hindu share decline. As reported in the Prime Minister's panel report, Giriraj Singh says Hindu share dip caused under Congress rule. He's talking about the population share of the majority population of the country, that is Hindus. Congress made country a dharamshala, says Giriraj Singh. PM panel reveals big demographic shift. Hindu population share down by close to 8% in India between 1950 and 2015. Muslim population share has gone up 43% reportedly during the same period. The report says that minorities are flourishing in India. A big demographic debate now erupts. The BJP has attacked the Congress over Hindu share decline. BJP says no country for Hindus if the Congress is back. Religious count figures out for 1950 to 2050. As I said, this has been reported by the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. Let's listen in to Union Minister Giriraj Singh.
रोहिंग्या बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठीज को वोट बैंक कांग्रेसियों ने बनाया और ये भारत के सनातन को खत्म करने की एक साजिश भी है। ये बताता है कि आने वाले दिन में भारत को लोग इस्लामिक स्टेट बनाना चाहते हैं और ये साजिश बहुत बड़ी साजिश है। उसमें कांग्रेस का सबसे बड़ा तुष्टीकरण रोल रहा आजादी के बाद से।
My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us live on this. Piyush, this is in fact going to stir a massive controversy already. Giriraj Singh speaking out on it. This is in fact going to turn into a massive political debate, Piyush.
Well, absolutely, Paul. We can expect the Congress party and other alliance partners of India bloc are going to react on this big statement coming in from Giriraj Singh. And this entire controversy has erupted after the study which has been put forth by the Economic Advisory Council of Prime Minister, which says that the majority population in the country, which is of Hindus, has declined by 7.8% in the span of 65 years, and that the population of minorities, including Muslims, Christian, Jains, has increased by around 7.8%. So this is telling us as to how there is a marginal shift, the marginal increase as far as the population is concerned. From 84%, the Hindus population has come down to 78%, and from 9%, around 9%, the Muslim population and the population of minorities has increased to around 14%. So there is a mass shift as far as the population is concerned. So on that particular front, we are seeing as to how the politics is taking place, where Giriraj Singh has come out and charged the Congress party, saying that it has happened because of the appeasement politics of the Congress governments. We'll have to see how the other political parties in opposition are going to react on this big statement coming in from Giriraj Singh. Follow me.
Right. Piyush, thank you so much for joining us with all of those updates. So let's give you a sense of what this report actually says. Now, in terms of the Hindu population between 1950 to 2015, this sort of demographic shift it talks about. The population share of Hindus is down by 8%, close to about 8%. Earlier, it was 84% at the time that this takes as the initial base year 1950. Now it stands at 78% at 2015 levels. That is what the Hindu population share looks like. Now, subsequent to that, as far as the Muslim population share is concerned, that has gone up 43% as far as this report is concerned, which is the PM's Economic Advisory Council report. Earlier, it said at 1950, the base year, it stood at about 9.8%. Now it is at about 14%. So Muslim minority population has gone up about 43% in these years. Now the Christian population share has also gone up by 5.38%. The Sikh population share has also gone up by 6.58% is what this report states. Also, what this report, like I said, is taking as its base year is 1950, and it has taken this data up to 2015. So it's compared 1950 data to 2015, where it says that there has been a decline of about 7.8% in the majority shares, in the majority population's share in the demographic of the country.